Okay, so here we are at the raceway in, oh shoot, what's the name of this place? Hagerstown Raceway. We're at the front gate. We're going in. I'm gonna pull over and let this guy go by. It's Tuesday morning. We're getting ready, getting the day started here. 8 a.m. We're gonna have a meeting and then some breakfast. Well, actually breakfast, then a meeting, and then we'll head down to DC. And these are all the trucks that are going. Well, most of them are going. Some of them stay behind. They don't always go every day, but a lot of them do. Let's check this one out. Got some people that are camping. I'll back up here and get a better shot. Timid men prefer the calm of despotism to the tempestuous sea of liberty. The sun's coming up and kind of making the video a little bit difficult to see, but I'll do my best. So they park the trucks all kind of grouped together, and then the four-wheelers, they put them, and the campers, they put them over to one side because they don't want the kids. There are families here, and they don't want them in the way or getting run over. So they got a nurse's station here. So if somebody's not feeling well, they've got a set up here for that. I don't know if you can see that. See if I can get a better shot. Sorry, I'm just holding a phone in my hand here. Yep, restrooms and whatnot here. is my fearless leader. Let's see if I can adjust this a bit. So we got vendors here. This is, you can't really see it, but they prep food here and whatnot. Really, really great people. See if I can adjust this. I'm trying to keep this as steady as possible. So over here we have lots of campers, and they've brought in extra porta potties because we got lots of RVs. Here a couple, 2-3 days ago, we had well, maybe it was a week ago. Anyway, they had a bunch of snow, and so they put out a call to the local community here in Hagerstown, and all the people that were in tents, they moved them out to local homes. People who opened up an extra room for them to stay because it got cold. So the local community here has been extremely supportive, and they brought in firewood and by the dump truck load in some cases. So been very, very, very supportive. Anyway, that's kind of the idea here. So just thought I'd share this with you. This is a pretty cool little banner he's got here. And that's what we need. We need to mandate freedom. We need to get rid of the mandates and the emergency powers. So, have a good day, you guys.